If you've ever set up Stripe webhooks, you already know how to handle DirectCryptoPay webhooks. Same algorithm, same signature format, same pattern. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to receive payment events, verify HMAC signatures, and monitor deliveries. Under 10 minutes. First, configure your webhook. Go to Integrations, click Edit, and scroll to the Webhooks section. Enter your webhook URL. The secret is auto-generated by DCP. Just copy it with the copy button. Store it as an environment variable on your server. Here's the server, a single Express.js endpoint that receives webhooks on /webhooks/DCP. Important, use express.raw, not express.json. You need the raw body to verify the signature. Parsing JSON first would break the HMAC computation. First thing the endpoint does, verify the signature. If it's invalid, reject with a 401. Never process an unverified webhook. Then, handle each event type. Payment.succeeded means the payment is fully confirmed on-chain. That's when you fulfill the order, unlock the feature, or send the receipt. Let's look at the verification function. The signature header contains a timestamp and an HMAC hash separated by a comma. Same format as Stripe. First, check if the webhook is less than 5 minutes old. This prevents replay attacks where someone resends a captured webhook. Then, compute the expected HMAC using the timestamp, the raw body, and your secret. Compare with a timing safe function to prevent timing attacks. If it matches, the webhook is authentic. Start the server, then use ngrok to expose it to the internet. Copy the public URL. Paste the ngrok URL as your webhook endpoint in the dashboard. Save. Now let's trigger a real payment on testnet. There it is. The webhook arrived. Payment dot succeeded with the transaction, hash and intent. ID. Signature verified. Event parsed, ready to fulfill. And in the dashboard, you can see the delivery. Status delivered. Response 200. Full payload. And a replay button if you ever need to resend it. That's it. HMAC signed webhooks. Same pattern as Stripe, with a built-in dashboard to monitor every delivery. Full written guide linked in the description. If you want unlimited transactions, our first 20 testers get 3 months pro free. Join the Discord or Telegram to claim your spot. Thanks for watching.